Welcome to our channel. The first year higher secondary 11th standard economics chapter 1 introduction to microeconomics multiple choice question and the answers. Before we see this chapter questions, if you like, subscribe, share, click bell button, then only will get notification, immediate notification. We'll go first question. Economics is a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. It is a statement of Adam Smith, D. Lionel Robbins, C. Alfred Marshall, D. Samuelson. C. Alfred Marshall is a right answer. Of life. It is a statement of Alfred Marshall is a right answer. Question number 2. The basic problem study in economics is A. Unlimited wants, B. Unlimited means, C. Scarcity, D. Strategy to meet all our wants. Answer C. Scarcity. Answer C. Scarcity is the right answer. Question number 3. Microeconomics concerned with the economics as a whole, B. Different sector of an economy, C. The study of individual economic unit behavior, D. The interaction within the entire economy. Answer the study of individual economic units behavior. Economics is concerned with the study of individual economic units behavior. Question number 4. Which one of the following is a microeconomic statement? A. Real domestic output increased by 2.5% last year. The macroeconomic statement is there. Second, the unlimited was 9.8% of labor force last year. That is also macro. C. The price of wheat determines their demand. It is a right answer. Question number 5. Find the word one out. A. Inquiry into nature, the causes of wealth of nation. B. Principles of economics. C. Nature and significance of economic science. D. Ceteris paribus. Answer D. Ceteris paribus. Question number 6. The equilibrium price is the price at which A. Everything is sold, B. Buyers spend their money, D. Quantity of demands equals quantity of supplied, D. Excess demand is zero. Answer is C. Quantity of demand equals quantity of supplied is a right answer. Question number 7. The author of the Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nation. Causes of Wealth of Nature. A. Alfred Marshall, B. Adam Smith, C. Lionel Robbins, D. Samuelson. Answer is Adam Smith is a right answer. A. B. Adam Smith is a right answer. So, third question, the 8th question, economics study human behavior as a relationship between end and scarce means which have alternate uses. Is this definition of economics of A. Lionel Robbins, B. Adam Smith, C. Alfred Marshall, D. Samuelson. A. Lionel Robbins is a right answer. A. Lionel Robbins. Who is the father of economics? A. Max Muller, B. Adam Smith, C. Karl Marx, D. Paul A. Samuelson. Answer B. Adam Smith. Who is the father of economics? B. Adam Smith is the right answer. Question number 10. Economy is a science. The basic of this statement is A. Relation between cause and effect, B. Uses of deductive method and inductive method for the formation of law. C. Experiment. D. All the above. All the above is a right answer. Utility, utility means A. Equilibrium point at which demand and supply are equal. B. Wants satisfying capacity of goods and service. C. Total value of commodity. D. Desire for goods and service. B. Answer B. Wants satisfying capacity of goods and service. Market is only a place to buy things. B. Only place to sell things. C. Only place where price adjust. D. System where person buy and sell goods directly and indirectly. Answer: a system where persons buy and sell goods and directly indirectly is a right answer. Question number 13. Which one of the following is a not a point of welfare of definition? Welfare of definition of economics. Study of ordinary man. B. Economics does not focus on wealth alone. C. Economics is a study of material welfare. D. Economics deal with unlimited wants and limited means. Answer is D. Economics deal with unlimited wants and limited means. Question number 14. Growth of definition takes into account A. Problem of choice in the framework of economics. B. Material welfare of human beings. C. The problem of unlimited means in relation to wants. D. Production and distribution of wealth. Answer: A problem of choice in the dynamic framework of economics. Question number 15. Which theory is generally included under microeconomics? A. Price theory. B. Income theory. C. Employment theory. D. Trade theory. A. Price theory is a right answer. Which theory generally included under microeconomics? Price theory. Question number 16. Days have an exchange value and their ownership right can be established and exchanged. A. Goods. B. Service. C. Market. D. Revenue. A. Goods is a right answer. Question number 17. Identify the correct characteristics of utility. A. It is equivalent to usefulness. B. It has moral significance. C. It has some pleasure. D. It demands upon consumer mental attitude. D. It demands upon consumer mental attitude is a right answer. Question number 18. Who has given scarcity of definition economics? A. Adam Smith. B. Marshall. C. Robbins. D. Robertson. Answer: C. Robinson is a right answer. Answer: option C. Right answer. Robinson. Question number 19. The process of reasoning from particular to general. Deductive method, inductive method, positive economics. D. Normative economics. B. Inductive method is a right answer. General to particular. Question number 20. Total revenue is equal to total output sold multiplied by A. Price, A. Total cost, A. Marginal revenue, D. Marginal cost. Answer A. Price is a right answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and click bell button. Thank you.